How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to do another video with the VN. As the title says, it's a $100 makeover. Just tidy some things up, make it look a bit better, get it ready for the street. Thanks everyone too for watching the first video and those that subscribed. Bit a bigger response than I expected, so totally stoked. If you like that sort of content and want to see how far the car keeps going, definitely subscribe, and I'll try and keep all the videos up. And in between videos, when nothing's happening on the VN, I've got a couple of other cars that I'll film with, and some stuff in the family that's pretty cool as well, so car events, stuff like that as well. But yeah, thanks heaps for watching and hope you enjoy. Also, I thought I'd just add, I'm definitely no professional or any good at half of this stuff. I'm just out there having a bit of a crack, so yeah, if you're a professional painter or something like that, don't judge. But yeah, I think that's what it's all about really, just having a crack and going for it yourself. Gonna take off the original mud flaps. Don't really like the look of them, going for a sort of bit of a cleaner look, so take them off. Pretty easy little thing to do just to make it look a bit better. It's got the little bracket in there still, but take that off and see how it looks. Two down. Got me helpers out here. I'll quickly whip off these other ones. Job's done. Make it look a little bit tidier. Definitely a heaps cleaner look without them. Gonna remove the hubcaps as well. Paint the original wheels behind it. These are off like a VS or something. Rather the factory style look, nice and dirty underneath. I've had a set of centre caps sitting in the garage for about 10 years and they finally came in handy. So I'll paint everything up, get it nice and clean, make it look how it should. Definitely looking a little dirty, but coat of paint, some centre caps, should come up a treat. Also got a new key cut. This one had some interesting home job going, 2 20-cent coins riveted together, but went something a bit simpler. Just going to give the centre caps a bit of fresh paint, just using the VHT paint I'm going to use for the wheels for now. Should colour match with the wheel alright. And I think that's just Rally Silver is the colour. Just gave them the second coat. Came up, yeah, pretty good, assuming I don't know what I'm doing. Yeah, they should match in with the wheel colour quite well. Gonna give the wheels a bit of a clean up before paint. That's what I'll be using. It's about as good as I'm going to get it. I've sprayed them, scrubbed them, had the scalp head going. But yeah, all those little indentations from the hubcaps aren't coming out, so hopefully the paint covers them up a bit. I'd seen this on Facebook, so I thought I'd give it a go. Just an easier way to try and not get overspray onto the tyres. I'll mask up the little valve and then give it a coat of paint and see how it goes. Going to do a quick coat of clear. I'll probably only just do one. This one's a satin clear as well, so 40% gloss. Only a little bit of overspray on a couple of little bits will scratch off pretty easy. But we'll get them mounted back up on the car and then move on to the next one. Going to start light this time. The other one probably went a little bit heavy for the first coat. Let that dry and I'll keep moving. There to before, and there to after. Definitely a lot better. Well, that's the rear end done. I've run out of time today anyway, so it'll be another day, but same video. But I'll jack the front up, do the two fronts. Alright, got the fronts off as well. Got them all mocked up, ready to paint. Give them a few coats, it's a bit warmer today. Alright, wheels all done. Had to do it over a couple of days because I kept running out of time, or it was crap weather. But definitely a big improvement. I'll give her a clean up and then do some sort of before and after shots to show you how it came out. Definitely a big improvement over what it was previously. Too bad the sun's not out, but yeah, way different look to what it was when it came in. For the amount of money I spent, pretty stoked. Thanks everyone for watching. Yeah, I'll keep the videos coming as quickly as I can, but at the moment we're gearing up to sell a house in 3 weeks, hence why it's been like there's just shit everywhere, and not getting as much time as what I normally would between the kids and the dogs and getting the house ready for sale. And yeah, I'm doing a bit of stuff in the car as much as I can. But yeah, thanks for watching, and yeah, hope you enjoy. Plans for the car at this stage, pretty much just to tidy it up, make it look as good as I can for as little money as possible, and then just get out and enjoy it for a little bit. Like once we get our house sold, I'll move on to the next stage, but until then it's sort of about just, yeah, a bit of presentation and get out there and enjoy it. But yeah, hopefully once the house is sold, the next step will happen pretty quick. So cheers.